Here's a 2005 Dodge Neon SRT-4, only 1,600 miles on it. Very, very interesting. So it's got the limited slip differential, which the first years that came out did not have it, and they'd blow axles right onto the racetrack, or on the track, drag strip. So very cool. Has a couple of Mopar or Dodge upgrades. See the stripes. So with this, you got the boost gauge right here. It's some special SRT-4 model. Really brings you back to 2005. You can smell the interior on this. It smells great. Do a quick start up. $1,675. Make sure it's in neutral. Start it up. You can hear the stock blow-off valve. I remember building boost in reverse. You hear the blow-off valve going off. Runs a little rich and cold start. This one has a sunroof. The XXT little performance package, which were identical to the look of SRT-4 with the rear spoiler, but did not have the turbo motor. And the turbo. I'll turn it off. These have the old school push to get out. Well, yeah.